Good day, everyone. Today, we gonna see something very interesting that what we call is virtual lab. What is virtual lab? Virtual lab is an online platform that is readily available for everyone to use various laboratories at convenience and at ease and at easy access. So let us see how to get inside the virtual lab. What you have to do is in Google just type VLab. VLab, it will readily take you to virtual lab website. This is one of the best initiative done by Ministry of Human Resource and Development, India. So now we are entering VLab, www.vlab.co.in. What you have to do is go down slowly, browsing down. You could find broad areas of virtual labs like electronics and communication, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical, and so on. Suppose we want to do some experiment in electronics and communication branch, then you click on electronics and communication. It is a broad area in which you will find the various laboratories readily available for us to perform experiments. Digital logic design using gates, sponsored by IIT Bombay, and microcontroller applications, again sponsored by IIT Bombay. You could see everything one after another. Suppose if I'm interested in something basic and I wanted to check the basic stuff, then you see IIT Kharagpur is offering basic electronics lab. Just click on it and you could find that welcome to basic electronics virtual laboratory. There we have introduction. Go through the introduction, you will find what this lab all about. Clicking on list of experiments, there you could find everything that is the most fundamental for electronic engineers. Experiments already developed is listed here. You could find resistor familiarization, capacitor familiarization, inductor familiarization, the fundamental law, Ohm's law, characteristic of diode, half-wave rectifier, full-wave rectifier, and so on. Suppose I want to study, for example, diode characteristics. Click on. There you could find the theory. The theory part gives the full detail of the experiment. Suppose you want to see the simulation where we wanted to work, where you could find how to work and find the results, and even you could plot it. Click on simulation. There you could find in simulation what kind of characteristics we are going to study for this diode. Forward bias diode silicon, reverse bias diode silicon, as well as they have given germanium diode. Suppose let me click on forward bias silicon diode. You could find here the circuit diagram, the observations that we are going to make, the control. So you see, first we have to choose the diode. Suppose I am choosing a 1N4001. Click on. You can set the DC value of the voltage. Since it is a diode experiment, you can progressively increase it, and for every set you can observe the values. You see, I set DC voltage at some level that I'm not very clear. So if you want to know that, just add to table, the value will be added. Before that we'll set the resistance. The resistance here what I set is 908 ohms. Even if you want to reduce it, you can reduce this. It's a sliding bar. I am reducing further. I make it 100 ohms. Fair. Now add to table. See, forward voltage I set 0.596. Since I'm not sure about the voltage, I set at a point, and that point value is 0.596 volt. The corresponding forward current is also shown. For the next value of DC voltage, resistance is kept same. Add to table, I could find here the next voltage value, the corresponding current. I'm increasing to a higher value. Add to table, and you see 0.60, 26.9 milliamperes. So like this, we could make more observations, and if you want, you can plot it. For that also we have an option, plot. Yeah, you could see the VI plot over here, and it's really wonderful. And if you want to print it, even for that they have given the option in this corner. This is print. So for every experiments, from the fundamental to the advanced, we have virtual lab. There you could learn virtually, and the results are really wonderful, and the results are proven. All these experiments are developed by Indian Institute of Technology. Thank you very much for watching the video.